Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today I'm here to discuss about the TCS NQT. NQT aptitude section preparation plan. So you just consider this as 2021. Okay, so the contents are from the last year. Okay, so you just consider it as 2021. Okay, study plan for the aptitude section. So as you know the syllabus for the TCS NQT, that is numerical ability and also the verbal ability, means it comes under the cognitive skills, numerical, verbal and reasoning ability. So there are total three sections are there. So three sections and 80 marks. Okay, 80 marks and 120 minutes time for the this particular uh, cognitive skill. Okay, so we'll discuss what are the main important topics that you need to cover. Okay, so this is the total duration, 80 minutes, 80 questions and total 80 marks and 120 minutes. Okay, so these verbal reasoning and verbal ability, reasoning ability and numerical ability, so these that main comes under the cognitive skills. So here in the verbal ability they are mentioned like the English grammar, appropriate usage of the same, the grammar and reading comprehension and all. And in the reasoning ability, the section identify the words, numeric patterns, problem solving and figural factual analysis, decision making. Okay, then propositional reasoning, visual spatial reasoning. And in the numerical ability, the sections assess the number system, arithmetic, elementary statistics, and data interpretation. So, how many times will the TCS NQT that is conducted in a year? So, TCS NQT exam will be conducted every quarter, and these exams will be scheduled in the month of February or in the May, August, and November. Okay, just a note, February and May it is already conducted, and now in the August month and November. So here you will get a fourth chance for the final year students and pre-final year students. So means in the 1 year you will get a fourth chance. So if you are not succeed again, you can get in the next year also. But you should have set a goal to get into the TCS company. So these exams will be scheduled in the month. Okay, so in addition to these four exams scheduled in a year, TCS Ion may announce some additional exam dates that subject to the demand from recruiting the corporates. So when will this application will close? When will this application will close for the TCS NQT? So for every TCS NQT exam session, the applications will close 12 days prior. So 12 days prior to the first exam. So here for example now in the August month means in the July. So in the July 15 or 16 they will close the registration. Okay, in the July month they will close 15 days or 12 to 15 days. Here they are mentioned 12 days prior to the first exam date in that session. So it is definitely easy to crack the aptitude sections that comes the cognitive skills. There are three sections of the TCS NQT that is provided you the right strategy in place. Okay, specifically if you are strong in mathematics subject, if you are good in the mathematics subjects till the 12th class level, so aptitude section will be definitely a cakewalk. So if you are good in the mathematics concepts. Okay, however if someone is not strong, they need to be worried and they can focus on preparing for this section during the next 4 weeks. See now, as I am creating this video, that is on the June 5. So June 5, so you are having a time for the preparation, and you can go for some of the the websites like Contura Online, Prep Insta, Face Prep for the guidance for the to appear for some mock test, and you will get some guidance, and also there are online classes they are conducting. So TCS NQT preparation strategy for the aptitude section. Here we'll discuss in detail about the syllabus, means in depth what are the different topics, and in the examination you will get easy to medium level questions, not that much difficult. So out of scale, the easy to medium, like 3 or 5, 3 or 2 or 5, 2 to 3, 2 to 3 is the level of difficulty. So it is easy to medium, not that much difficult. So the topics that you can consider is mensuration, numbers. Okay, these are some important topics. Then time, distance and work. Time, distance and work, permutation combinations. Okay, then probability, geometry, circles, triangle geometry, then equations and functions, average, mixture, allegations, percentage, ratios, series and progression, and general reasoning. So these are the very important topic in the particular this quantitative aptitude section. So the first week of preparation for the TCS NQT is, so one can give the higher priority to the topics like arithmetic such as number, percentage, ratio, time, distance, work, average, mixture and allegation. So these are some of the important topics that you can focus in the first week of the preparation. Also one should thorough with all the formulas, and one should practice more number of models from each topic. So there are like the India Bix is the one of the site that you can refer for the TCS NQT. So these topics that would be additional advantage. So these are the topics that in detail you can find, means numbers, percentage, ratio, in that what are the different models you can complete, that time, distance and work. Okay, so then average, mixture, allegation. So if you just go through all these different models in detail, this comes under the quantitative aptitude. And week 1 you can make a plan. Week 1 you can plan for this particular topics, week 1. Okay, then in the second week of the preparation, so in the second week of the preparation, after focusing on the topics of week 1, you can concentrate on the topics in the week 1, especially from the algebra and modern maths like equations and functions, permutation combination, probability, series and progression. So these are the topics, important topics that you can focus. So level of difficulty of these topics would be moderate level, and it is better if you can concentrate on the basic models of these topics. Okay, the based upon these permutation combination probability, you will get some the moderate level questions. So here you can, like in the equations and function topic, the models like linear equations, problems on age, graphs, then in the permutation combination, arrangement, circular permutation, probability, okay, problems on coins, calculation, dice, and series and progress, where arithmetic progression, geometric progression, APGP. So these are the topics that you need to focus in the week 2. So as discussed in the week 1 and week 2 also, you should practice more number of models from the above topics and attempt the a sectional test on these. Sectional means you need to, like topic wise also, topic wise, or in the week you need to week means section wise, you need to attempt the test. Okay, section wise it is very important, so that you will come to know which are the topics you understood clearly. Okay, section wise the test is important, section wise. So that's why you need to go for some mock test series. Then in the third week preparation, in the third week preparation plan, so here the next priority can be given to the topics like geometry and mensuration. Okay, so it is better to focus on all the questions from the previous test papers exclusively for these topics. You need to for this geometry and all, you need to go through the previous year topics. So I have such questions, previous year questions from the TCS NQT, so you can go through those questions, and also in the online also you will get a lot of stuffs. So because these two topics would be little difficult for the most of the students, mensuration and geometry, therefore concentrate exclusively on formula and previous test questions. So geometry, that lines, angles, triangles and circles. Mensuration, that covers the areas, volumes, perimeter of squares, rectangles, cuboids and spheres. Okay, so try to get a good hold on the above topics in the first 3 days of the week 3. So in the last 3 days of the week 3, please go through all the topics with the topic wise fundamentals, formulas and sectional text from the all the topics done in the week 3, and analyze the mistakes. So try to identify the areas of the strength and areas of the improvement from all the topics of the aptitude. As in the week 1 and week 2, week 3, you are going through the different topics. So from these different topics, you need to identify the areas of your strength and areas of your improvement from the topics of the aptitude. So in the fourth week of the preparation, what you have to do is all the 6 days allotted for taking a full length mock, that is on the entire aptitude section. Okay, because you are already covered all the topics in the first 3 weeks, and then the last week you need to spend on the mock test. So analyze your mistakes after attempting the test and understand the areas in which you are faltered. So analysis of your performance is more crucial than just attempting the questions. You need to analyze how much your marks you are getting and in which topic you are finding the difficult. Okay, so try to learn from the mistakes. So attempt some mock test that is conducted by some of the platforms, that is through like a Kondura Online or Face Prep, or the mock test that is conducted by your institutes. Okay, so there are so many stuffs are available in the online. You can just search it, Google it. Okay, so this is in the mock test. The main thing is that you will get a feel of the actual exam. Suppose if there is 80 marks for the particular section, cognitive skills, there is 80 marks or 80 questions plus 80 questions, 120 minutes of time. So here you will get the actual feel of the main test. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, then practice. So there is no substitute for the practice. Make a mistake but ensure that you learn from those mistakes. Okay, this is the best way to improve. You need to make a mistake, otherwise you won't come. So no need to do the copy and all. Okay, just Google it and attempting the test, it is a waste of time. Okay, you need to make a practice, and there is no substitute for the practice. Okay, there is no substitute, because only practice only you can improve your aptitude skill and make mistakes. Okay, you should make mistakes. Don't just Google it and find the answer and attempt the questions. You don't do that. Okay, so make a mistake but ensure that you learn from those mistakes. You should learn from the mistakes. Means after the mock test you need to analyze, okay, which are the topics that you found difficult, and this is the best way to improve. Okay, thank you.